For this last exercise, you are going to be working on your term project and you're going to be adding annotations to it. So what I'm listing are the minimum requirements, and obviously you can do more, but I want regular expressions on at least two properties. Use the data type annotation with at least one. Use the display annotation with any multi-word property so that they display in your views with spaces between the words. Use the column annotation with at least one of the properties. Use the string length annotation on at least half of your string properties. Use the range annotation on at least half of your numeric properties. So what if you don't have any numeric properties? Well, then I don't expect you to use it. So some of this is, dependent on what you have in your, models. Determine which fields are required and include the required attribute. Then make sure you have custom error messages on at least 3 properties. Remember, if you add new properties, you have to do migrations, and you are going to have to do migrations because of the column annotation. Okay. So you want to make sure that the annotations and validations are working in all of your views. And once you get done with that, you can upload to GitHub.